In this video, I will tell you how to fix EAFC25 app. So please watch the full video and also give a like. So let's get started. First of all, you should have to check your internet speed and Google. After that, tap on setting option here, and here scroll down, and here search for app management option, and then tap on app list, and then tap on search bar and search for companion, and now tap on companion option, and now tap on storage usage on the top, and here clear the cache and data of this app. Now okay, now close this app and go to Google Play Store, and now tap on search option, and here tap on search bar, and here type EA FC 25, and then tap on here, and here you can see the app installed, and here you will see update options. So simply update this app to the latest version, but keep remember, clear the cache and data will remove your existing data. So first of all, save your data and then clear the cache and data. So this will fix the issue for you. I hope you will like this video. Thanks.